Welcome to ProfitChat, your one-stop social media all-in-one manager, or as we like to call it, a meta super app. So this is the dashboard. This is where you're going to see all of the statistics that you're going to need, including all of the purchases that you've received, all of the accounts you're managing. Everything is right here. Then you can add your Facebook and Instagram right here. We've created a test page and then an Instagram page as David Guetta, just for the fun of it. And if we click on them, it will lead us to these pages and we'll see all of the posts that we make right here. We have a bunch of API channels that you can use, including if you want to integrate Twitter, if you want to integrate Reddit, WordPress, if you want to have email APIs, SMS APIs, so much that you can add in ProfitChat to make your experience easier. Next up, we have the comment growth tools, which allow you to automatically reply to any comments that come through Facebook. And you can create the templates here. Subscriber Manager allows you to see all of the followers that follow your Facebook page, including your Facebook or your Instagram page. And you can manage them right here once you have them. Then you have the live chat function here that works integrated with ChatGPT. So when someone's going to message you, they'll be talking with ChatGPT, depending on the parameters you set right here. Then Bot Manager allows you to add a bot that has exact parameters right here. You can manage it and make sure it follows exactly what you want it to do. Broadcasting, you can broadcast to all of your subscribers or to all of your entire list if you have one. E-commerce store, you can create an e-commerce store right into ProfitChat, and we'll do one now just to play around with it. And then we'll just set some things here. Okay, and then we just create store. And now we have it right here, and we can use it on our Facebook page here and promote it, so then people will be led right to it. And we can have a look at it if we just copy it and then head on here. And this is our e-commerce store that we just made, where we'll have all of the items that we want to sell on Facebook or Instagram. And it's all integrated. You can integrate it with any payment APIs you want, so PayPal, Stripe, you name it. You can create coupons, QR codes, you can have multiple products, delivery points if you want to do physical delivery. As I said, check our settings to integrate any of the payment APIs that we have, and we have a bunch. You can modify it all here, following our training. Then, of course, it wouldn't be an all-in-one meta super app if you couldn't upload things. So let's just go ahead and make a test post for Facebook. And we'll just select this one. We'll put testing 333 and then welcome to NFTs. And just post it only on Facebook. We can also post it on Instagram, but as you can see here, we already did. So I'm just going to post it. And then sure enough, if we go over to our Facebook page, we can see the post right here. We can see it's been sent 5 minutes ago. We can see it's been published by ProfitChat. And We see everything that we've added. So we see the image, we see the text, and everything is already here and published. So it's that simple. And then again, to post to Instagram, it's the exact same process. And with integrated support and training, ProfitChat is a no-brainer. It allows you to completely manage your social media apps with zero effort. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.
How would you like to send a direct message to the phones, tablets, and computers of 3 billion people, all with the single click of a button? Better yet, imagine if minutes from now, you could have your own messaging machine that got you a 98% open rate, reaching people in 180 countries, blasting your affiliate link to millions in seconds. Finally, imagine that this messaging machine even writes the messages for you using none other than ChatGPT. That's right, a social media autoresponder that works on Instagram and Facebook, collecting leads for you 24/7, including phone numbers, then messages them to close affiliate sales for you. It works in any niche and never stops to eat or sleep. It's always online and talks just like a real person. You've heard the phrase, the money is in the list, and that's because when you have a list, you have access to push-button profits. Big marketers are cashing in thousands by simply sending one message. But email marketing is dying. It's expensive to send emails, expensive to build your list, and the worst of all, nobody reads emails anymore. That's because instead, they're hooked to their phones. People are non-stop texting via social media apps and literally ignore their email inboxes. Bottom line is that it's hard to build an email list, and even harder to make it convert. So, what's the fix that delivers the benefits of an autoresponder, while generating better conversions than email, virtually unlimited leads, and instant traffic? The first ever combined Facebook and Instagram autoresponder that's hooked to ChatGPT, letting you close unlimited sales right inside Meta apps 24/7. Introducing ProfitChat. Facebook has 3 billion users who each check in on average 30 times daily. That's insane. Want to hear about Instagram? Well, if we divide time spent on Instagram by the Earth's population with internet access, it averages over an hour spent a day on Instagram. Over 400 million stories are posted there every day. And get this, influencers are paid an average of $15,000. Open rates on Facebook and Instagram are over 98% versus a measly 5% on email. People love to text via Messenger, but hate email. ProfitChat automatically finds Facebook and Instagram targeted leads in any niche, adds them as a contact, then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link. The messages are written using ChatGPT, and it talks just like a regular person. It can send direct messages to one contact at a time or blast out millions of messages at once. We give you dedicated SMTPs, sending servers, and IP pools, so you can send out millions of messages at once at zero cost. Plus, the software collects emails and phone numbers that you can then use as well to email or text, all built in. It sends affiliate offers that are relevant based on lead interests and what they talk to the chatbot about, like a regular conversation, while collecting passive commissions for you. It's like email marketing on steroids, but with no list building needed and nearly 100% open rates. Best part, it works even if you have 0 Facebook contacts or Instagram followers. And new for 2023, you can now auto-reply to FB threads, create new posts, share Instagram photos and stories, and auto-publish new AI-driven pics. Your own social media manager using ChatGPT. Here's just a glimpse of the features. Fully cloud-based Facebook and Instagram autoresponder, and chatbot messaging system. 98% open rate guarantee. Instantly finds unlimited leads. Start messaging within seconds, talking just like a regular person. Collects emails and phone numbers you can then email or text. Sends affiliate offers you get paid commissions on. Social media manager with auto posts, auto stories, and auto replies using AI. And get this, you even get built-in affiliate shops with hosting included right inside Facebook and Instagram Messenger, fully integrated with PayPal, checkout forms, and more. There are a few moments in our lives where we're faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are. Imagine if you could, overnight, have access to 2 billion phone numbers and the ability to blast any message or offer to them instantly. Get any offer in front of anyone instantly. It would turn you into the next Zuckerberg. ProfitChat truly is the ultimate autoresponder, but it's not what you think. No, instead of boring emails, ProfitChat finds Facebook and Instagram targeted leads, adds them as a contact, then sends unlimited ChatGPT written messages with your affiliate link. This is the new era of messaging, and this is your chance to be one of the first to take advantage of it. It's truly an unprecedented opportunity. Don't let it slip away.